In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display menu overlay in Figma. First, open Figma in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, head to Drafts so you can find the file you want to work on. Open the project or file that contains your design. We'll be wiring up a menu button so it opens a menu overlay. Inside your file, locate the menu icon or button in your design. The element users will click to open the menu. Select that element so we can attach a prototype interaction to it. Now move to the Prototype tab at the top right of Figma. This switches you from design settings to interaction settings. With your menu element still selected, look for the interactions panel and add a new interaction. This is where we'll tell Figma what should happen when someone interacts with that menu. Set the trigger to on click. That means when a user taps or clicks the menu button, the interaction will fire. For the action, choose Open Overlay. Overlays in Figma are perfect for menus because they sit above the current screen without navigating away, and they can be positioned exactly where you want them. Next, set the destination to frame 2. That's the frame that contains your menu overlay design. If your overlay frame has a different name in your file, simply choose that frame instead. The key is that the destination is the menu's content. For animation, pick Move In. This adds a nice motion effect so the menu doesn't just pop into place. It helps users understand where the menu is coming from and feels more polished. Set the position to manual. This gives you full control over where the overlay appears relative to your trigger. You'll see a preview of the overlay that you can drag into place so it lines up exactly where you want it to open. Choose the upward arrow. This direction tells Figma to animate the overlay upward, giving you that familiar slide in from the bottom feel many apps use for menus. When everything looks right, click Preview to test. In the preview window, click your menu button and watch the overlay move in. Make sure the placement, timing, and direction feel natural. If anything seems off, return to the prototype panel and fine-tune the position or animation settings. A few quick tips as you refine. Overlays work best when the overlay frame matches the device size or the intended menu size. Keep spacing and alignment consistent. And remember that the overlay stays on top of the current screen, which is ideal for menus, tooltips, and quick actions. That's it. You've set up a clean animated menu overlay in Figma.